Hello YouTube, my name is Jesse. I'm going to be showing you guys how to pick a Master Lock 140. I'm going to be raking it. That's my method. Show you guys my tools. Got some homemade tools here. Alright, got my good old homemade snake rake Bogota pick there, made out of windshield wiper spring steel from the inside. And here's my Master Lock 140. It's currently unlocked right now. There's the tension tool I'm using. So yeah, one thing I found, especially with picking locks, is the tension tool is one of the biggest factors too. If you get a good fit that's going to apply even tension and really turn that cylinder evenly, you're going to have a way easier time than trying to go at it with an improper one. Also making sure you can get the full length of the cylinder down. That helps a lot too, to provide that even tension. So I'm going to show you guys the lock here. It is unlocked right now. There it is. Alright, we'll lock her up. Alright, and here we go. See how quick we can get this.
I think it was just the beginning of what will continue to be a conversation.
I want to go back to a question I asked you earlier, which is, what does the president see as his job?
Oh, that was pretty fucking quick. That was pretty good. I'll do it again for you guys. Alright, see? Lock her up.
We only have about a minute left. What does the president see as his job?
I think he sees it as trying to walk this sort of middle path and to be kind of a bridge between, on the one hand, Americans who do feel great support for law enforcement and gratitude for what law enforcement does to protect us, and communities that feel really under threat from law enforcement. And he is sympathetic to both of those.
Got you again.
To walk a middle line.
Ooh, man, I used to have such problems with this lock too. And I don't know, one day got it. So I don't know, what I'm doing here is putting the tension tool in, and right when I'm starting to apply just real gentle pressure on this baby, I'm inserting my pick and just kind of not really pushing up too hard on the, I forgot what they're called, on the, oh my god, the pins. Really lightly, just kind of letting it go in and out, slide smoothly. Really light-handed work here, and just kind of letting them bounce up, and then kind of varying the amount of pressure I have on the tension tool, back and forth slightly. Almost seems to pop. So I'll show you again. Kind of see that here. So right, and kind of just,
And support comes from fees. Menu that changes monthly.
Yep, see, booking. So this is has security pins in it. I think they're little spool pins, and that'd be a little more difficult if I was single pin picking, but of course raking with the Bogota, you can get by that pretty easy. Well, I guess there you have it. Maybe do it one more time for good measure. I hope that was of at least some help.
This is membership supported 1550 KUAZ 89.1.
Oh yeah, it was just ridiculous. That was just ridiculous. I think it's also the pick too. I don't realize the homemade picks. At least the ones that I've ground myself seem to work the best. Well, thanks for watching, guys. You have a good one. Happy picking.